What's going on, everybody? It's your friendly neighborhood, Joe Mrozek here. And in this video, I'm talking about names and logos. First, let's talk about logos. So, I know I used this logo in my last video, but it's old and outdated. I've been recreating my logo and making it better, so let's just get rid of this. Aww. So now, it's time to reveal the new one. Okay, so how did I get from that old logo to this new one? So one day, I was sitting in my Jeep Renegade, and I was thinking, I wonder how many little details I could find in this car. That was a lot of little details. So all these little details are what make me think of the Jeep brand when I think of off-roading. So what do I want my audience to think of when they see my logo? The blue gradient on my logo is meant to symbolize water, while the gradient of circles behind it is meant to symbolize the sun. I know that's a rather easy idea, but I'd still thought I'd point it out for all those who missed it. That logo is also supposed to represent my love for travel and adventure while giving the same impression to my viewers. So the meaning goes a lot deeper than that though as well. So whenever people are angry or sad or mad, I'm sure a lot of people always like to tell them, hey, go to your happy place. I get told it all the time. And I'm well aware it doesn't work. But whenever I do try to imagine my happy place, it's always the scarlet sun setting behind, clear blue water on a white sand beach, and it's like 90 degrees outside. That is my happy place. And I'm assuming a lot of people's happy places are pretty similar, beaches and nice places. And so that's what I want my logo to portray. I want it to portray a happy place where people can go and, even just forget about the world for a few minutes while they're watching my videos, laugh, think about how they'd like to travel, or just commenting down below. So that was my thought process for my logo. There was an even longer process to come up with my name. It's just my first and my last name with Productions behind it. That's it. Nothing else. No deeper meanings. That's it. All of it. Done. So thanks for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff, anything you can. If you didn't like it, comment down below as to how I can do better and how I can make this experience more enjoyable for everyone involved. Even if you did like it, do that as well. Constructive criticism is very useful, and I need a lot of it. So thank you for watching, and I will see you later.